Hooked up fishing, going hard on a beehive at my mama's front yard. They had took over. There's still thousands of them up there trying to get this tree removed. But like I told you guys, or I'm gonna tell y'all guys, if you want a job done right and at a fair price, good people, come over and holler at the tree man. It's Mr. Santos is the owner. That's Lopez coming to help out. But that's the phone number right there. Did an awesome job already at finishing up here in my mom's front yard. Didn't even hurt the shrubs. They know what they're doing, man. Get back with y'all later.